Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will see how to find Facebook Pixel ID and Facebook Conversion API token. So what you need to do, you just need to log into your Facebook Business Manager account. On the left side option, we see we have all tools. Click on that. Then click on Events Manager. And we have one more option that says Data Sources. So click on it. And the last option that says Settings. Click on that. Now here you will see the pixel ID for your Facebook Business Manager account. Now next step is to find the conversion API token. Under setup direct integration, you will see a button that says generate access token. So click on it and you will have your conversion API token right on your screen. So you see there is an option to copy the conversion API token as well. So just click on it and your conversion API token is copied. Now the next step is to paste these conversion API token and pixel ID to your respective channel. If you're using WordPress or Shopify platform, there is an option to save these pixel IDs and conversion API token. For more such contents, you can subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.